Telebus always keeps our fans happy, and thus we're back with some latest new updates of your very own favorite shows and celebrities. We're here to give you all some latest dope on the most entertaining contestant and runner-up of Bigg Boss 6. Yes, Imam Siddiqui. Here's your golden opportunity, folks. It's time to tango with the Imam Siddiqui. Imam, who was almost an unknown entity a few months back, went zoop up on the popularity chart after his wacky avatar in Bigg Boss Season 6. Well, he's indeed something. He's unique in the way he dresses, walks, talks, behaves and whatnot. And that's not all, guys. He also has a unique style of holidaying. Let us explain. Recently, Imam posted on his Facebook status in search of a travel partner to go on a holiday to Goa. Interested? Please mail a resume and recent pics to imam.siddiqui@gmail.com now. Whoa, now that's interesting. So this is the time for all you fans who would want to know Imam personally. Yes, you heard that right. All you out there who is interested in the proposal, just gotta move on and gear up to holiday and sunbathe with Imam while listening to the soothing rhymes and chimes of the sea. Well, Imam, you really fascinate us. What about you guys? If y'all agree, then surely like this video and leave your comments as to are you going to send in your resumes and photos? Don't forget to subscribe to Telebus for more updates.